Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at some of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Instant Pot 6-quart Air Fryer Oven. The Instant Pot 6-quart Air Fryer Oven is a multifunctional kitchen appliance that offers a range of cooking options. With its 6-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate food, providing versatility for various cooking needs. One notable feature of this air fryer oven is the clear cook window and internal light, which allows you to easily monitor the cooking progress without opening the basket. This helps maintain the cooking temperature and ensures your food is cooked to perfection. The Instant Pot 6-quart air fryer oven also incorporates odor erase technology, which includes built-in and replaceable air filters. These filters effectively remove odors during cooking, minimizing lingering cooking smells in your kitchen. Number 2. Ninja DZ401. The Ninja DZ401 is a powerful and versatile air fryer with a range of features that make it an excellent choice for cooking multiple foods simultaneously. With its 2 independent baskets, this XL version of the original air fryer allows you to cook 2 foods, 2 ways, at the same time, eliminating the need for back-to-back cooking like a traditional single-basket air fryer. The larger 5-quart baskets provide ample space for your cooking needs. The dual-zone technology of the Ninja DZ401 gives you the option to choose between the Smart Finish feature and the Match Cook feature. The Smart Finish feature ensures that both foods finish cooking at the same time, while the Match Cook feature allows you to copy settings across zones for full 10 QT. Capacity meals. This flexibility adds convenience and ease to your cooking process. Number 3. Instant Pot 4-in-1 2QT Mini Air Fryer. The Pot 4-in-1 2QT Mini Air Fryer is a compact and versatile kitchen appliance that offers a range of cooking functions. With its 4-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, bake, roast, and reheat, providing flexibility for various culinary needs. Featuring Even Crisp technology, this air fryer utilizes advanced airflow technology that drives airflow from top to bottom, ensuring a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Whether you're air frying wings, roasting vegetables, baking cookies, or making cinnamon buns, the Instant Pot 4-in-1 Mini Air Fryer offers customizable one-touch smart programs for effortless cooking. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a highly versatile countertop oven that offers a variety of cooking functions. With this appliance, you can roast, air fry, and dehydrate your food. It features an Element IQ system that utilizes 6 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms to distribute power effectively, creating the ideal cooking environment. This system also eliminates cold spots for precise and even cooking. In addition to its roasting and dehydrating capabilities, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro includes an air fry setting. By combining higher temperatures with super convection, which maximizes airflow, it can deliver crispy and golden air-fried foods like French fries and other family favorites. This offers a healthier alternative to deep frying.